Happy New Year from Gary's Hobby Studio. In this video, this is part 6 of rebuilding my server room floor. You'll see why here in a moment.
Alright, so here is part 6. I moved some boxes out of closet just because of the fact that I need to get this crap out of here. That's a server options box. It's got some SFF 8643, which is the newer style cables, which are for RAID controller cards that I got in there. Got a whole bunch of them from work because they were just going to throw them away. Got a lot of stuff out of here because that's what most of this stuff is here. My Kylo Ren lightsaber. And I actually got the cabinet and the bookcase out, as you can see. Just remember, there is no cloud. It's just someone else's computer. So I put that stuff out here in the garage. And let me turn on some lights. So there's the bookcase. There's the cabinet. I put some of the stuff back in it that was in there because it's stuff that it'll be fine out here because it's either in a box or in a case. As you can see, there's a bunch of stuff over there. So, let me turn these lights out. So yeah, all I got to do is put this stuff that can freeze, because I got a lot of acrylic supplies in there, and this is the stuff I use to strip models with if I screw up. Super Clean does a wonderful job. Put it in an ultrasonic cleaner, and I swear to God, you will never have to take a toothbrush to them. So if any miniature modelers out there are following me, definitely pick this stuff up at Walmart or wherever you can get it from, because this stuff's awesome. My books are in here from the bookcase. There's my Geordi LaForge hanging up. May as well grab the Princess Leia one that I can't remember who got me this. It's been so long. There we go. Just got to get that stuff off the table. That bag is stuff of electronics that I'm probably going to need while I'm doing all this, so I can do the floor, stuff like that. There's my monitor that was usually there. Been meaning to hang that up. I have no idea where I'm going to put that. And there's nothing else behind here other than a mirror that her grandfather put there that I just never took down because obviously, yay! Surprised I didn't break my camera. So yeah, there's my come to the dark side. We have cookies. And love the Pittsburgh Pirates, although they play like bums. And yeah, just got to get the last little bit of stuff in there and stuff that's over there out. And get these desks moved. My friend's going to let me know hopefully soon. Because I got to move this stuff too. But he's going to let me know when he's going to be available. I'm got a feeling it probably won't be till after New Year's. And then we'll get these desks taken out. Then all I have to do is shut everything down here, switch everything back over there, hang stuff up in the rafters so that I can get this out. And yeah, it's going to be fun where I'm going to put all this crap. But anyways, fun. When you have to fix something that, if it was done right, wouldn't have to worry about it. I know I was walking over here and I felt a weak spot. I want to say it's like right around here somewhere. But yeah, I mean, I'll feel better once this is done. And like I said, I just hope I can do it and don't have to pay somebody later, because man, it's going to suck, because I started all this, spent all this money, and don't have any money to really pay anybody. So, alright, so that's so far for this part of part 6. There will be more to come. Here's another part to it. Here's the status. My friend's coming over today with his kid to help me move these desks out into the garage. And once I get this stuff out of here and everything, as you can see, I had to put the stuff that I pulled out from the earlier clip back into the closet so that so we got enough room to carry this stuff out. But yeah, once I get these 3 desks out and get the remaining little bits of stuff out, I may even open up a certain section of the floor just to see if there's any other problems I'm gonna have, which I have a gut feeling I'm going to. So my friends came over and helped me not only get the desks out, as you can see, but they also helped me get the carpet up, which is fantastic because that just saved me a lot of time. And not that I don't love my wife, but she would probably not be able to handle that well. As you can see here, I had that water damage on the wood from the previous video. That got a feeling I got something wrong with either the foundation or the wall or something, and only time will tell once I get everything tore up and cleaned out and take a look. And yay, this is going to take me like 3, 4, 5 years. So anyways, and that big water stain there, that's from the jug, which I'm sure some of that's from the jug too, although I got a feeling most of it was that there. But the jug actually pointed us out that I had a bigger issue than what I thought. So over here, as you can see, it looked like there's been water damage because especially from what my friend said, that there was like a pencil line there where they cut all this, and this isn't even sitting. I mean, I don't know how well this is translating from the video, but I can actually push down on that. That's sitting on the joist. That is not. So yeah, this is going to be wonderful. So wonderful. Yay me. Yeah, I'm being sarcastic because I'm just looking at it like, God, this is going to be a pain in the ass. But hopefully there's something I can do to fix the water damage so that doesn't happen. I don't know. I mean, from what he's saying, that they put some stuff under this, some kind of insulation or something, which if they did, that's going to hold water, which is what you don't want. Again, I won't know till I tear the floor up, which will probably be later tonight. I might tear a section out of the good part, like pop these nails up and pull this large section right here. But yeah, the only thing left I have to do is get the remainder of this stuff out, get all this stuff out, so I can rip that floor up. And because I have to do everything all at one time, and I'm sure that's not good either. But yeah, so more to come. Okay, and as you can see, I'm going to have a really good fun time fixing that. I tore up the edge panels, the pieces of wood at the edge by the one window down there to see the extent. And yeah, there is insulation there, which why you would do that, I have no idea. It actually holds water and not let it go. I think that's part of it. I didn't see anything on the wall, but until I actually get all that crap out of there and stuff, I don't know if there is a problem with the foundation. From what I could see, I couldn't tell. But as you can see, I'm doing the videos now from my living room. That's because obviously the desks and everything are gone, so that I can start doing the floor, which I'm going to start. I got to start getting the servers moved, get the rack out of there. I don't know where I'm going to put it yet. That's going to be so much fun to try to figure out where to put that thing.
But yeah, so I hope you guys have a very safe and happy new year, and see you next time.